If you love workflows, and who doesn't love workflows, you're going to love this easy update. Now you have the ability to rename your workflows right within the listings page. With this update, you can now easily rename your workflows directly from the listings page, saving time and simplifying organization within the CRM. There are great benefits to this simple and easy update. Now, this is going to streamline your workflow management. You can quickly rename workflows without the need to open them individually. Who doesn't love that update? It's also going to improve organization. You're going to be able to simplify workflow organization by easily updating names from the workflow list. It's also going to enhance user experience. You're going to be able to enjoy a much smoother workflow management process. I'm going to take this a step farther and just share that renaming those workflows very quickly is a way for you to kind of rename things and to keep them all similar. If a workflow is specific to maybe a form and to a funnel, maybe you keep those names all very similar so that they're easy to identify and find. And that's one of the reasons I love this quick little update, is because that is a personal organizational tool that I like to use. As far as practical use goes, now you as a business owner or anybody on your team can swiftly rename those marketing automation workflows based on those current promotions, seasonal campaigns, and really anything. It kind of goes back to what I was talking about before. We really want to ensure the most clear organization in what we're doing because it makes it easy for us. It also makes it easy for our team. Let me show you exactly how to rename that workflow. First of all, this is going to be under Automation on the left-hand navigation and in Workflows in the upper navigation. Then you're going to simply select the workflow utilizing the three-dot kebab, and in that drop-down menu, you're going to click on Rename Workflow. And that is what is new within this feature. Now you're simply going to enter the new name and then you're going to save. It's that simple. With this new feature, managing tasks and organizing workflows within the CRM has never been easier. This is going to allow your business to save time and put focus on growing your business efficiently. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.